Rolling Sturgis to Milwaukee. Our biggest rolling campaign ever starts right now. The Harley-Davidson Motor Company giving you an opportunity to win one of two incredible Harley-Davidson motorcycles, a CVO Street Glide Limited or a Road Glide Limited, and there's many more prizes, including not one, but two $5,000 gift cards to be given away. You could be one of 10 people that win a 3-day trip for two to the Sturgis Motorcycle Rally, standing on stage with me at the Full Throttle Saloon, and if your key unlocks the forks to that motorcycle, you win that beautiful CVO Street Glide Limited. We'll be doing the same thing for Milwaukee. Swag bags, Bertello pizza ovens, Dean guitars. Your chance to win at the dealership by scanning the QR code, and you're on your way to being a winner. You can increase your chances to win every time you visit the dealership by gaining keywords and checking in. It's going to be a campaign to beat all campaigns. We are rolling Sturgis to Milwaukee. Pa-pow!